what's up? Hope you all are good and great. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, the Seraph_Neetu. So today I'm very excited as I'm going to reveal my first mini haul from Purple and my first buy as well from Purple, because I have been always a Nykaa customer. I'm very excited because this is my first mini haul from Purple and my first buy from Purple. So I'm very excited to reveal it because I'm doing my first haul in front of you all to my YouTube family. This is all for my YouTube family, and this is not at all sponsored videos, because whatever I'll be sharing on all the experience and whatever the review I'll be giving, it's very genuine. Before showing my haul to you, I will share one more good news with you all, because this Purple has come up with the iBeauty sale, where they have more than 500 brands and they have amazing offers, and this sale is from August 4 to August 8. Go just check it out, just grab it. मैंने ऑलरेडी और भी चीजें बुक कर ली हैं, बिकॉज मैं इस चीज का वेट कर रही थी जब ये मेरे पास पैकेट आया. सो आई गॉट टू नो कि इनका एक ऑफर भी आने वाला है फ्रॉम August 4 to August 8. So I was waiting for this and I have ordered multiple things, and because this is very exciting, whatever the price you are paying full, now you are paying something like up to 30-40% off, and buy 2 get 1 free. There are multiple offers. So now coming to my haul part, so let's get started. Yay! So first thing which I'm going to show you is this Purple mini lipstick, and trust me guys, this is amazing. So I have applied this shade only, you can just check it. This is kind of like amazing. This is, it's not so chappy also. And one more thing I will tell about this lipstick is that this is, whenever you remove this lipstick, there is no color that they are leaving behind. It's very easy to wipe it out also. And the shade is for this, just show you, it's My First Night Out 23. See, My First Night Out 23. It's quite sexy name, the First Night Out. Oh, and the age is also 23. That's super cool. So yes, this is my first product from my haul. So this is quite good, must buy. Now coming to the second product, again from the brand Purple, and this is a lip balm, a very good round shape, and this is flavor, this is butterscotch flavor, and you have to just turn it off like this and you can just apply. So before applying this lipstick, I have applied this, and I'm using it regularly. It's been 4 days I'm using it, and I just love this. It smells very good. So yes, go and just grab this one. So my next buy is this. This is a serum from the brand Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Yes, this is 10 ml bottle. After 4 days I'm applying this, and this is, trust me, is very good. It leaves a very good texture on your skin, so you can apply it morning, evening, twice a day, and this is very good. You can apply it before makeup. People who sweat a lot, like they're having sweating on their face, so they can ignore before applying the makeup. But yes, morning and evening you must apply. This leaves amazing skin texture after applying it. So this is also a must buy. Once again I am repeating, this is Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. I have bought it of 10 ml bottle. You can buy it of bigger size as well, and discount is also going on. I will write the price in the description box, so just check my description box for the price details and all. So my next buy is this is white eye pencil. So this is from the brand Wet n Wild, and I heard that applying white kajal gives you a bigger eye, kind of. It seems like you have bigger eye, so that is why I bought this. And this is, trust me, this is also very good, which is rich and hyper pigmented color, and you can see like this. So yeah, this is very good. This is also like people who like white kajal, so they can go for it. This is also a must buy, and Wet n Wild is a good brand. Yeah, another buy which is a very good buy, so go and grab this as well. Show you, they have sent me this. This is Eye Beauty sell up to 50% from August 4th to August 8th, and they have more than 500 brands. 5-day only, specifically 5-day only. So yeah, this is it about my haul, and I hope you liked my haul. And this is all the products are very cost effective, very affordable, and very good. So yeah, just go and check Purplle app. You can download it from Google Play Store. Just download the app, and you can make the purchase. And before leaving, do like, share, subscribe, comment, and do subscribe by clicking the bell icon. So see you in next vlog. Till then, stick around. Bye bye.